So the intake is super oily. The pipe is very oily, which goes to the EGR, and also on this side it's very oily. So this goes directly to the turbo. This feeds air to the turbo. That's why it's dry, because only clean air goes in. Then there's a PCV valve, and then we have some oiliness which comes through the ventilation. It goes into the turbo. Then there is another pipe connecting turbo to the EGR valve, and then a pipe connecting EGR valve to the intake manifold. This pipe connects turbo output to the EGR valve. So this is air pressure side, and there shouldn't be any oil here, at least not a large amount. I don't know if it is a large amount, but there is some. Now I'll mark the orientations of the turbo wheel and the compressor wheel, and also the orientation of the nut, so I can reassemble them exactly in the same order and don't have to balance the turbo. This is the oil seal which leaks. This little ring. Okay, here comes one bearing. Here's the other bearing. These are the bearings. Seems like it has some scoring on the outside, at least one of them. Yeah, this one. Focus, you fuck. Yeah, there you go. So the repair kit has new bearings. It has new, this part, whatever this is, thrust finger I believe they call it. It has an oil ring here for compressor side. Of course it comes with a new oil ring. This is the old oil ring. This is an oil ring for the turbo side. It's mounted directly on the shaft here, or was. Also the repair kit comes with new thing, I don't know what it's for. Oh, of course it comes with new seals and a few new bolts in this washer. So the way this works, I believe, is that it rides on two bearings and there is this spacer in between with holes for oil supply, oil feed. If I understand correctly, the bearings should sit solidly in the casing, and the gliding surface is the shaft surface.